up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, anyone would literally think that it is winter time. I mean, look at this roll neck situation. Okay. No, it's not winter. Yes, I am a little bit chilly, but to be honest, I just love high necks. I just love turtlenecks. I like anything with a neck. I live for this type of moment, okay? But anyways, today I have a quick little unboxing for you. Yes, I do. I have a little unboxing, okay? So she is from, if I can open the box, hang on. She's from no other than the Louis Vuitton. Here she is. It's a very small one though. Yeah, we're going to be done in like 2 minutes, but it's okay. So as you can see, yes, this is the shipping box. Ta-da. So I bought this little number. She's my first one of the kind. And I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it so you guys can see. Just usual stuff. We have the ribbon. As we all know. We have the orange box, blah blah blah. I have the receipt and stuff like that in the box over there. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. But before we do that, I'm going to interrupt you really quickly. If you are luxe obsessed like the rest of us here and you are not subscribed to my channel just yet, then I'm going to trust that you're going to go ahead and do that, because I'd love to have you here. We do talk about everything in luxe involved, mainly handbags, a little bit of news, a little bit of debate on my channel. If that is something that you love, then definitely subscribe. I can wait for you to do that. Absolutely, I can put that time and effort in for you. Why don't you go ahead and do it? How about right now? Okay, thank you very much. And if you are already subscribed and you are coming back to my channel, then thank you so much for being here as well. Oh, and of course, let me let you know that I do upload on a Wednesday and Saturday. I'm also available for the first 30 minutes every time I upload a video. So if you want to have a chat with me, then you know what to do. So yes, it's a little quick unboxing. You probably already know what it is, judging by the packaging. Ta-da! Un momento. Okay, so I got myself a little Twilly. She is stunning. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know what this one is called. The product number is M78655, just in case you want to have a look on the website yourself. She has been sold out for a hot minute, but I managed to get my hands on her and I think she's absolutely stunning. She's beautiful. She's me in a little Tweety. The colours are perfect. In fact, I bought it because I wanted it to go with my Chanel bag that you saw recently, the beige one. So I bought it because I wanted to put it on the handles. I did have a look at the Chanel ones and the Dior ones, but there was nothing that was like tickling my fancy. So this one, however, I found it online because it came back in stock maybe about 1 AM and I was like, that's mine, thank you. So I snagged it up immediately and she came a couple of days later. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a pretty quick unboxing, if I'm honest. But yeah, I don't know, I really like it. It's 100% silk. It's actually my first Twilly, to be honest. I don't know, I just never really found the need or found ones that I was like really in love with. But this one I really liked, and I also like the same version but in the black and white colorway, but that one is always sold out as well. But I will try and find it as well so I can add it to the collection. But yeah, I mean, I probably wouldn't have it like this. But of course, I can definitely add it for an extra pizzazz. I know some people use it in their hair. Maybe I could do a little tie moment. Not really. I don't know. I bought it for this Chanel bag right here. I plan on putting her onto this bag. As you can see, the color combination is just to die for. I mean, come on. So yeah, but I will definitely play around with that and see if I like it, and I probably will film once I do that. So stay tuned for that video if you want to see how to get the Twilly onto the bag. But yes, super quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, leave a comment down below. Let's have a conversation. Do you own any Twillys? Do you own an abundance of Twillys, or have you not got your Twilly just yet? Definitely let me know. And as always, do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But if you haven't quite had enough, then definitely click this video right here, or maybe this little unboxing over here, or whatever tickles your fancy. Of course, if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below, and I will get to working. But for now, I'm going to love you and leave you right here, and I'll see you in the next video.